Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens Review. But it's not review, baby. It's all about mail call. Can you dig it? Come on now. Let me feel that love. Love. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Canal. All right. Whew. I just get all inside. Woo! Mercy me. Well, here. Just got in here. Actually, this box got here yesterday, which is Thursday. So, today is a Friday. So, today I'm like gonna cut it open and take a little look, see what's inside. Are y'all ready? Let's see here. How do I wanna dissect this box? Poor box. If a box could only talk, they could tell us all the journeys they've been on. Yep. So here we go. Here we go. All right, let me open up the note inside. Okay, a friend of mine who wants to stay anonymous has informed me that due to the pandemic has allowed him extra time to sort through his pen collections, what he has been doing slowly but surely. And this gentleman takes excellent care of his fountain pens. So if you're one of the lucky ones later that wins in a contest, you'll receive one of these pens. And they are immaculate. And these, my friend, are for, who can guess what is this for? I'm not going to tell you what is this tool used for? It's easy, isn't it? So that may be for one of the upcoming giveaways. So don't answer it now. What you want to do is email me the answer to that at my
LarryB0711@gmail.com.
That's where you want to put your answer if you're interested. So here we go.
Wow.
Double wow. Wow. Wow, mercy me.
Point him in this direction.
Oh my goodness.
Point him in this direction.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Stars, have mercy on my soul. Oh, Lord. Oh. No. Yes. I don't have that one. I have that one. I don't have that one. I have that one. Oh. But anyway, these are the pens that will be given away. Plus, I have a lot more other pens down below that are going to be given away as well. And I'm going to start by today. You saw what I just held up, that little tool. What you want to do quickly is email me to the address Mr. Announcer just gave you. Okay? And then some lucky person's going to win a pen either from this batch or the previous batch of pens that I've received. Okay? You might get one, you might get two. So, that's going to take care of it, my good friends. Hey, question. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why not? I'm excited. I'm like dynamite, baby. I'm like, what's happening, baby? You know, I'm the real deal. Well, kind of the real deal. I mean, like a little deal. I know Godzilla loves me. I know that they love me. I know that I love me. So, with all that said, God bless each and every one of you to rock and roll! Be safe, my friends. Peace and lots of love and lots of hugs. You guys are dynamite. Subscribe now. Right now. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that button to let you know when I, Mr. Wonderful, uploads a video if I'm not in the Psychiatric Institute later.